The top side hustle to make money online. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and save this for future. Hey, let's dive right on into this because this is my favorite. The top side hustle to make money online. That is the question I get a lot. And I always tell them, there's a lot of different things that you can get into online as far as a business to make money. You can do Shopify. You can sell products. You can sell your own products. You can make them, like t-shirts and that kind of stuff. You can start your own little store. But the simplest and the best has got to be, hands down, affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you're promoting other people's products. And every big box store that you go to has affiliate program. All you got to do is go all the way down to the bottom. If you wear Nike shoes or Under Armour, just go all the way down to the bottom of their website and you'll see something that says affiliate or partners or something like that. Or go to Amazon. You have to be Amazon, you probably need a website in order to do Amazon. But I'm telling you, all these places have them. But now, as far as that goes, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is or what affiliate marketing really does, they're just promoting other people's products. I mean, that's probably the simplest I can put it. There's no customer service, there's no shipping, there's no dealing with, any kind of problems like that. All you promote it, sell it, and forget about it. Then you wait on your check. To me, that's why it's the best side hustle, especially if you're a single mom or a stay-home mom or a stay-home dad and you're looking to make extra money. And you could be a college kid too. Now, this is for affiliate marketing is for anybody who's willing to put a couple hours a time, a day in, or an hour a day. This is great for college kids who are trying to make, extra money to either pay their tuition or just to have extra money in their pocket. It's a great side hustle. To me, it's hands down got to be the easiest. Like I said, now there's other side hustles out there. You can do, like if you want to do vending machines, you can buy them. You can get them for about $1,200. Then you can go to big box stores like Sam's or Costco or even Walmart and buy your stuff and put in them. The main thing with them is just finding a good location. Same thing with drink machines. You can do coin washer and dryer, laundromat type deals. That's pretty good to get into. As far as side hustles, there's a ton of them. You just have to figure out what you want to do and how much time you have. Vending machines are good. I'm telling you, vending machines, you can make money if you got a good location. You can make pretty good money doing vending machines. It's not that hard. All you do is go by there once or twice a week, make sure it's full, and get the money out, So it's right. If you want something, it's, low cost, low, work, vending machines and stuff like that are up there too. You can make pretty good bit of money, especially if you got a good location. But affiliate marketing to me is the best because you can do it online. You can do it from anywhere. You can set it up. Once you get it set up and get it dialed in, you're pretty much maybe an hour a day on it, and that's it. That's probably at the most. And a lot of that's just setting up your campaigns and redoing stuff, checking stuff. But by far, it's got to be the easiest side hustle. Like I said, there's other things out there that, that people do that, that you actually, will have to leave your house to go do. This affiliate marketing, I'm at home in my little office. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of side hustle that I like. You know, I come in, work a few hours, then go do what I need to go do the rest of the day. You know, go pick the kids up, drop them off, you know, whatever I need to do, you know, then that's my time. You know, you can't do that with a 9 to 5. You know, you cannot do that. If if you got a 9 to 5 grind, you know, you just can't take off when you want and go do things. You know, you just can't, because, you know, you punching the clock. If you're punching the clock, you can't, you know, unless you use vacation time. Use vacation time, then you can't, you know, then you don't have the quality time that you want to spend, you know, if you want to take them somewhere, you know, the beach or someplace like that. But as far as side hustles, I'm telling you, affiliate marketing is the best. And we got guys and gals that's been doing this for years, making 6 and 7 figures, and we want to teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way. We're the best in the business. We've said it over and over again, and we want to prove it to you that we are. You're going to get an advisor and a mentor. We're not going to leave you hanging. You know, you're going to learn how to build a funnel, how to do an email campaign, how to do ads without being banned on social media. We're going to teach you all the basic stuff where you can promote anything you want at any given time. And once you get this stuff dialed in, you single moms, you stay home moms, hey, this is perfect for you. Once the kid goes to bed, taking a nap, you can jump on this. I mean, this is perfect for you stay-home moms. You know, or stay-home dads. You know, it could work either way. You know, and college kids, perfect for y'all too if you want to make extra money, you know, and to help pay your bills. You know, maybe get that dream car you're thinking about, you know. But I'm telling you, best side hustle by far has got to be affiliate marketing, because you can do it from anywhere. You know, once you get it dialed in, set up, you know, all you need to do is throw your laptop in your bag, go to the beach. You know, when everybody's, you know, doing stuff, you run up there, or, you know, take care of a little business first thing in the morning. Then the rest of the time, hey, you're with your family, you know, and you don't have to worry about it, you know. But I'm telling you, give it a shot. You know, I'm not going to promise you. I'm not like a lot of those guys going to say you're going to make $2 or $3, $4, $10,000 or $5,000, because I don't know you, and I don't know how hard you're willing to work. You know, you get in what you put in. So if you put your time in, you're going to get rewarded for it. You know, if you know, one of those people who are dive in for a couple days, then get distracted easy, then it's not going to, you know, it's going to take you longer. You know, you got to cut all the distractions out and focus. If you can focus for the between now and let's just say 90 days, just think where you could be. If you think this past year, if you're not been happy with this past year, whether it's financially, mentally, hey, and you're just tired of being broke, affiliate marketing is your best side hustle. I guarantee you. You know, best, there's nothing better than writing a check to get out of debt. You know, to get out of debt, because then all that pressure goes off, but you got to be willing to put a little time in, let's knock this out. Let's do it. Let us help you. Let us help you, help me help you. That's what we want to do, So if you're interested, check out the link in the description and let's get going. There's no reason to hesitate. Let's make next year your best year. Let's give it 90 days and let's do this. All right, I'm Jamie Williams. We'll see you next week.